Are you excited?
Oh God, yes.
You ready?
I'm so excited. I'm so ready. I'll be straight with you, Jim. I've been here for 2 days and I know where the trailer has been, and I've done everything in my power not to see it, and I haven't. I haven't seen it. I don't know anything about it. This is actually going to be, I don't normally do this, so this is going to be pretty cool. Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Tell me when I can look. Just don't let me get hit by a tractor, all right?
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at that! Dude! Oh, check that out! Oh my God!
You got one big feature on this trailer. These are some of the largest axles that you can get on a trailer.
What are they?
Medium-sized trailer. These are 9,000-pound axles.
Shut the front door. Okay, this is freaking insane.
This is a trunnion mount.
Okay.
This is one of the heaviest duty things you can get. This will, by hands down, bar none, lift the most weight. So if you're overloaded, this will still push it up. This is a must-have. Not a lot of people even know about these. These are awesome. Normally when you hook it up, you got to sit there and crank this guy. This here, you just push a button. That right there is the cat's meow.
I've never seen anything like that.
There's your remote control there.
What? This will control the hydraulics, the dump,
Yep,
and the jack?
and the jack. All in your hand. You got your signature orange, not something that you're going to pick up at any hardware store, so you got yourself a color-coded can to match.
Okay.
So if you got any scratches or whatnot, you can touch it up, no problem. Looks like you already got a little there on your face.
I still have the orange from the paint booth. This is a beautiful piece of equipment. That's all I can say.
I love the orange.
This is so gorgeous. This has got to be the prettiest. Is it the prettiest dump trailer? Thanks, Joe.
Absolutely.
Thanks for the
Anytime,
experience. Thanks for everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome. This is great. This is awesome.